buy Shiba Inu now. This may be your opportunity. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at Shiba Inu meme coin that has been doing some interesting things in the past couple of days. Main thing I want to highlight to start off this video: Shiba Inu down nearly 14% because this posed some great buying opportunity. Overall market cap near $9 billion, still ways away from Dogecoin, but potentially is Shiba Inu gonna flip Dogecoin? The real question is Pepe gonna flip Shiba Inu and Dogecoin? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Overall, crypto meme coin market, we can see red across the boards, Doge in the red, Pepe in the red, Shib in the red. Overall market down a little bit in the past 30 days, which is fine. Overall crypto market down about 4% on today, volume down about 11% in the past 24 hours. Fear and greed index at a 49 neutral. We're literally in greed a couple days ago. What the heck is going on? And Bitcoin 61k, Ethereum losing its $3,000 zone. What people are selling cryptos, that may just be an opportunity for us to load up. We're going to go ahead and take a look at Shiba Inu, guys, as Shiba Inu is doing some interesting things. We see on the 1 week down 14%, on the month down to about 10%. It is our opportunity to load up on Shiba Inu at these absolute lowest prices. That may be the case. Before we do that, guys, I want to take a second to highlight a pre-sale gem that's been going absolutely ballistic, and that is Pepe Unchained. If you like meme coins, and if you like Pepe specifically, you're gonna absolutely love this project because this is Pepe but layer 2. So Pepe now has his own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Talking about the rewards, the AP is 277%. So Pepe Unchained, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and dedicated block explorer. And we can see in 3 hours they're having their price hike, guys, and they've already raised $7 million in just a short span of time. If you want to load up on this awesome pre-sale gem, link in the description below. But let's go back to Shiba Inu and take a look at what's going on. Starting off with a technical analysis, odds are in buy, moving averages are in strong sell, which is interesting. We don't usually see combinations like this. We're still getting an overall summary of sell, and we're going to the overview tab, guys, and we're seeing the charts for the past month, right? We see we are almost on a rise. We're kind of loading up, and once Bitcoin starts to dump, meme coins follow. Now history repeats itself. Usually when Bitcoin dumps so aggressively like this, it follows up by a swift recovery. That being said, we're probably going to see Shiba Inu recover as well, making at least a 15 to 20% gain in the upcoming weeks. That means if you simply put $1,000 into Shiba Inu, you may make it anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks by simply buying and holding. Overall, news is looking pretty optimistic for Shiba Inu as well. We go over to the news tab. Oh, my browser's acting funny. Okay, Shiba Inu price collapses. Here's how many holders are under the water. Shiba Inu's burn skyrocket 216%, fueling recovery. Shiba Inu is ready for a birthday rally. $100 million in Shiba Inu in 24 hours. What's happening? So for the most part, 75% on the bullish news side. And remember, guys, Shiba Inu is so much more than meme coin. It's an entire ecosystem now. We have the Shiba Inu token, the Bone token, the Leash token. They have the Shib swap. They have the Shibtoshis. They have the NFTs. They have the ecosystem, the Shibarium, the Roshi archives. Advertise with us. Safety guy, like, they are doing so much. It is so much bigger than a meme coin. They have over 3.8 million followers on X, and just a couple days ago they have turned 4 years old. From humble beginnings, we've soared over 150 million%. Our Shiba army is unstoppable with 3.8 million strong. We've built a thriving community with Shiba Swap and Shibarium, multiple tokens, NFTs, and metaverse on the horizon. This is absolutely solid, celebrating its 4th birthday. We can see Top Dog celebrates for its 4th birthday, which is awesome. People are just sharing memes, communities are growing. We can see claim your free gift. The elite access of leash holders are welcoming gift for Web 2 players. Migrate to Web 3 games. Get ready to level up your Shib entities experience. We see overall bullish news going across the board for Shiba Inu. Now, taking the Shiba Inu birthday, is this going to cause a rally in price? Possibly. It just shows investor confidence, shows that Shiba Inu has definitely stood the test of time, especially now with a pullback like this, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if we see people loading up. We're taking a look at Bitcoin earlier today, and Bitcoin is setting up to pump, guys. We even seen a quote as high as $350,000 per Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin bull run getting activated. MicroStrategy buying $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Here's the thing: if this happens, if Bitcoin continues to pump and altcoins continue to pump, it's inevitable meme coins are going to pump as well. So buying in on days like today, 10% down, weeks like today, 15% down, 20% down, this is guaranteed opportunity for us to make guaranteed rewards of returns. I mean, not anything in life is guaranteed, so please keep that to account. And again, none of this is financial advice, but that being said, if you load up on these times, there's a great chance you make a profit. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.